If you want to do Airbnbs, midterm rentals or long-term rentals, beware of the difference. Long-term rentals are probably your least most profitable, but you can set and forget it, collect rent every month, pretty easy. Midterm rentals, a little more stressful. You do got to now furnish the apartment, and it could be stressful if you don't get a month rented. It could really eat you alive on some of them if they become vacant for a month or two. And short-term rentals, very time consuming. You're gonna have a lot of management, you're gonna have a lot of guests and people asking you how to turn a lock and how to turn the TV on. And they're coming and going, so the apartment is gonna get beat up pretty bad, or the house is gonna really have a lot of wear and tear on the long-term effects of that place. And you do gotta furnish it too. So the two ways you do gotta furnish it, but the B&B model is your most profitable. Make sure you follow all the laws and rules and regulations, and you can do it, and you have a plan B in case you have to go to long-term rentals. See you guys in some long-term rentals or B&Bs. Aloha.